Hi, this video is to talk to you about CAT25 mentorship course that we have. We have it at online, Dadar and Thane. So it's run by me, Patrick, and Rochelle. So we'll be conducting the course. Rochelle will be in charge of the verbal section. I'll be in charge of the mathematics and DLR section. Right. So we've been training students for more than 23 years, so fairly comfortable with the exam, right, from CAT and the other entrance exams. So we have different courses for CAT, including a DLR specific course, a MAT specific course, a mentorship course that we're talking about right now, the 100% batch. So we also have YouTube resources that will help you crack CAT, right, from the Road to 100 series. So I recommend that you subscribe to the channel and look at these series. We'll have put number of questions that will help you practice. Plus you have a CAT past solutions, CAT24 and the other past solutions. We'll also have concept videos which are there that will help you the right methods to score 100%. You can look at these videos under YouTube. So what will the specific course consist? One is the individual mentoring. So we'll have one-to-one mentoring that will guide you with regards to how to prepare and what to do with regards to cracking the exam. So mentoring is what's the key area. Second is the right method to help you crack the exam. So when I'm talking about mentoring, a lot of people are clueless as to what to do. You write a mock, your scores don't come in, what to do. Or I'm stuck with my preparation, I'm saturated, I don't know what to do. So all that can be answered. We'll have experts, and Patrick myself will be guiding you with regards to what to prepare and what not to prepare. You can always connect with me. Methods, right? It's very important. People unfortunately use the school level methods for solving, which is not the right method to crack the CAT. CAT has a particular logical way of thinking, and the thinking process is very important to crack the exam. So we'll focus on the right methods. And once you know the right methods, to reinforce that method will give you enough practice. So you have practice with those methods, it will help you improve with regards to CAT. It will be all the three areas, verbal, DLR and con. So you will have enough practice for each of these three areas. That should help you with regards to practice. So mentorship course. So you will have videos that will help you fundamentals. You feel your fundamentals are not good for specific area. So we'll provide you with the videos. You can go to those fundamentals that will teach you the right methods to solve different kind of sums right from the basics. You will have individual mentoring for the CAT. So how, what to prepare, what not to do, what is the right method, right approach, extremely important as such. Individual mock analysis, so on strategy. So once you write a mock, so we'll guide you with regards to what is the strategy, right approach, right strategy, how to experiment with the strategy. The right strategy makes a lot of difference with regards to the scores of the exam. Videos on different topics to help practice and learn methods. Live lectures. So you will be sitting for live lectures. You can ask questions and we'll teach you the right methods to solve things faster. You'll get videos for these lectures that will help you practice at home and reinforce your methods. Right? And practice sessions. In a practice sessions, so what are methods you learn to practice those and reinforce those methods as far as possible. And you'll have 30 CAT mocks with you. So faculty are all 20 plus years. So both me and Rochelle both have more than 20 years in training students for CAT. So we'll provide you individual attention mentoring. Best approaches to help ace exam. So I have aced at 6 and 100%. I can teach you those methods that are required to crack the exam, and you will get material, videos and mocks that are required to crack the exam. How to enroll? You can go to prep.patrick100.com to enroll, or contact us at 9821314788 or support@coinacademy.com. You can email us for more information, so we can guide you better. Right? So if you have any issues, please feel free to contact us back. Thank you.